What's up everybody, welcome back here on the channel. Today is Matchbox time and we are gonna take a look at the Japan Cruisers 5-pack. So, in one of my recent videos I showed you the electric drivers 5-pack and I said the electric drivers might be the best Matchbox 5-pack of the year 2024. But I mentioned another set and yeah, that was the Japan Cruisers 5-pack and here it is. I got this for, let's say reasonable price, €7.50, I think, which is okay. So yeah, let's take a look at it and start with the packaging. By the way, I think the pink Civic will be the highlight for many collectors. And as you can see, the Civic is also here on the side of the packaging and on the back. And yeah, that's it. I already opened this thing up. So let's slide the models out. And let's take a look at them. And we start from the top with this one here, which is the 1971 Nissan Skyline 2000 GTX in Japanese nostalgic car deco. I have to say, it's not an era of cars that I really like, but this is a pretty nice model in my opinion. It's a pretty nice blue. We get this really nice deco here on the side. By the way, if you're interested in these Japanese signs here on the back, I did a little research with Google Lens and I think it's saying Nissan if you don't speak Japanese. So yeah, I like the black wheels and I like that they sit kind of far in the car. I think it matches cars from this era pretty well. So very, very nice model in my opinion. So let's put this one into the parking lot. As we go on, I already mentioned it. I think this is the highlight, at least for me. This color is fantastic. It's I would say kind of a mixture between, it's hard to describe, metallic and satin or something, but it's a fantastic pink livery. Don't see any issues. It looks really, really, really good. Really love this color. It's so bright and shiny. Fantastic. I think the wheels are a perfect match. And on top of that, we get very crisp details on the front with a Type R license plate on the front and also on the back. Once again, nice details. So for me, definitely highlight of this 5-pack. Really, really nice. So now we go on with this one here, the Subaru Impreza WRX from 2007 in Japanese police deco, which is also really cool. Same wheels as the Civic. We get some details also on the front and a lot of deco on the side. Once again, I did some research on the Japanese riding and I think, well, it's pretty easy. As you can see on this side, it's saying Matchbox. So on this side, this is Matchbox in Japanese, but these three Japanese signs, I think it's saying Metropolitan Police Department, if you are interested in that. It's a nice model. We got some issues on the deco. I hope you can see it here. On the door, we see some white dots. That is a little unfortunate. I mean, it's a pretty cheap. It's a mainline car. I know that, but yeah, that could be better. The rest is really nice. We don't get any details on the back. The front looks good. And here on the license plate, by the way, I think it's also saying Matchbox in Japanese. Really nice model. Let's put this one into the parking lot. Now, the 2019 Mazda 3. So as you can see, a pretty plain version in white with black wheels, but yeah, it's also pretty nice. I think this is a really nice car also in reality. We get some crisp details on the back and on the front, this huge grille. Nice version. By the way, I think all of these 5 models are multi-pack exclusives. I think there aren't any re-releases. No new castings for sure, but I think we haven't seen these decals before, these liveries. Just to mention that. So let's put our white Mazda in the parking lot, and the last one, a model from the 80s, the Toyota 4Runner from 1985. Yeah, it's also something I really like, this 80s style. I'm not really sure about the white wheels, I have to say, but I think the deco on the side is pretty nice. You don't get any details on the back, on the front. But all in all, also a really nice model, and I think it's definitely a 5-pack that you should buy if you get it for a reasonable price. I mean, you know, every collector has kind of a, let's bring our models together. Every collector has a different taste, and but for me, yeah, the electric drivers and this set, definitely the 5-pack highlights of the year. And you know that I always pick a favorite at the end of my videos, and yeah, guess what? It's the pink Civic. And yeah, but I'm interested in your opinion. If the Civic is also your favorite, write it in the comments down below. That's it. There you have it. The Japan Cruisers 5-pack. And with that said, I say thank you for watching, happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye.